Hello everyone, today we are going to learn some more about chapter number 4 formatting in Excel. So today's topics are cell address, operators in Excel, calculations in Excel, operator precedence, error results. So let's start with cell address. Cell is an intersection of column and row, and cell address is a combination of column header and row header. Here in the picture you can see that the cell is selected in a D column and in a fifth row. So its address is D5. That is shown in a name box of Excel. Our next topic is operators in Excel. You can use all mathematical operators in Excel. Addition is used to add two numbers. Subtraction is used to subtract number from other. Here star symbol is used as a multiplication operator for multiply two numbers, and backslash is used for division, and caret sign is used as a power, means calculate value of one number raised to the power of other number, that is x power y. Our next topic is operator precedence. Operator precedence means the order in which the operators are executed when two or more operators are used in single calculations. So here it also follows the mathematical rule, means BODMAS rule. So B stands for brackets. So first of all it will solve brackets, then order, then divide, multiply, add and subtract. So next is our calculations in Excel. Excel gives you facility to do calculations without using calculator. To make Excel understand that you want to do calculation, it always to be started with an equal to sign. So let's see how you can perform calculation in Excel by this video. So here is the table, that is mark details. There are some roll numbers, names of students and marks of English, Maths and Science subjects. So we have to do the total of marks of particular student. For that, first of all, we have to type a symbol equals to, then the cell address of that cell whose values we want to add. So we want to add C4 plus D4 and then E4. So here you can see that the values of that particular cells are selected, and then press enter. So here in the video you can see the totaling has done. Then you can just by dragging it, you can copy this formula in other cells. So here you can see the total marks of all students have shown in a video. So our next topic is error results. If Excel cannot calculate a formula that you have entered in a cell, it displays an error value in the cell as soon as you complete the formula and press enter key. So first error value is hash div divided by 0. So it meaning division by 0. So as you know that we cannot divide any number with 0. So it refers to a cell that contains the value 0 or is blank. Next error value is hash name question mark. It means Excel doesn't recognize a name. This error value appears when you type a non-numeric value in a cell or a formula. Means you cannot perform any kind of calculation on text data. The next error value is #num exclamation sign. It means problem with the number in the formula. Causes: it can be caused by an invalid content in an Excel formula that produces a number too large or too small to be represented in the worksheet. Next error value is #ref exclamation sign. It means invalid cell reference. This error occurs when you delete a cell referred to in the formula or the cell is not present in an Excel sheet. So on that time this error value will be caused. So I hope all topics are clear to you. Thanks for watching.